Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr.Meetakshi, but this video is a part of the Meta Facebook advertisement series. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about particularly the engagement campaign. Now, how is this engagement campaign created? We are going to discuss that. Just before that, let's have a small discussion on what is this engagement campaign. In the field of marketing, engagement means the interaction and the involvement which individuals have with your brand or the product or the marketing campaign. In simple words, the attachment and the commitment with the brand and its audience. What is this campaign going to do, or how it is going to help you? This campaign is going to increase the engagement with your content through the likes, shares, comments, clicks to the landing page, etc. So when can you go for it? When you want to make more of conversions, that is, you want to increase your sales. And how? When you want to make your interested customers feel a very important part of your brand, and now you want to connect more. Now, if we talk with respect to the stages in the sales funnel, at which stage this campaign is going to be more suitable? This content will be at the MOFU stage, the middle of the funnel content stage. That means somewhere the people have done a lot of research already and now they are somewhere interested in your products. So now let us see practically how are we going to create this campaign. So now we have already logged into the Ads Manager account and this is a dashboard which will be visible to you. I'm going to click on Create. The objective of today's lecture is to create the engagement campaign. So I'm going to click on engagement and buying type is going to be auction. So here you can see engagement campaign is good for Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp, video views, post engagement, conversions, calls. We're going to click on continue. What is the recommended setting that is being suggested by Facebook? The Advantage Plus audience and the Advantage Plus placements I have discussed in detail in my other lectures. Please see the link. Click on manual setup. Continue. Now give a campaign name. Special ads category, if it falls under any one of the category given by the Facebook, either under credit or employment or housing or social issues, elections or politics. So you're going to choose any one if it is falling under this category. Campaign detail is going to be buying type auction. Objective is engagement. A/B test, for now you can switch it off. Advantage campaign budget, I'm switching it on. Now here we have two types of budget, the daily budget and the lifetime budget. Daily budget is decided on daily basis. The campaign is going to deduct the money on daily basis, the amount that you are going to decide for the campaign for each day. And lifetime budget is going to be the amount that is for the lifetime of that particular advertisement. Okay, so let's say if you're keeping the lifetime budget as 15,000. Campaign bid strategy is going to be highest volume. So now campaign bid strategy I have discussed already in very much detail in one of the lectures of awareness generation campaign. I've provided the link, please see this. For now I'm going to keep it as highest volume. Then we come to ad scheduling. Run ad on a schedule. So I'm going to do the setting in the ad set level. Now in case you want to go for the daily budget, you will choose daily budget. And we can start off with the daily budget. Say for example, I want to start off with the Indian rupee 500 rupees. Okay. Now campaign bid strategy, again it's going to be highest volume. Just scroll it down. And now you're going to click on next. So here now we are at the ad set level. You're going to give the name to our ad set. Next is conversions. If I click on this drop down, here we get so many options. Messaging apps, which means getting people to engage with your brand or the Messenger, WhatsApp or Instagram. Next is on your ad. When you want people to watch your video or interact with you on your post or any kind of an event. So I would choose on your ad. Next is engagement type. Here we have options of video views, post engagement, event responses, reminders set. So I would choose post engagement. Next is performance goal. So we have options of maximize engagement with the post, maximize daily unique reach, maximize number of impressions. What is the difference between reach and impression? I have already discussed earlier in my other videos. So please go through that. Now we are going to go for maximize engagement with the post. Now we come to budget and schedule. Here we are going to schedule the date. For example, I want the advertisement to be scheduled from 26. Yes, and you can give the time. Now because this is an engagement campaign, it is not necessary that the end date will be given to it. But in case if you want to give the end date, you can set the end date from here. Okay, and if you do not want, then you can just uncheck it. Next is audience control, and we are going to choose the location that we want. For example, Lucknow. I want to increase the radius. From here I can increase it till 50 mi. Another location, for example, Gurgaon, Haryana, which is now Gurugram, Haryana. And if I want it to be in Jaipur, preferred locations are these which I have chosen. Again, if I want to go internationally, I will type the location. For example, Singapore. So here in the map you can see the locations have been chosen. Now when I click on more over here, I get options to choose the minimum age. Now because I have chosen Singapore as one of the countries, so if I go to the side button over here, Indonesia and Thailand has been mentioned as the minimum age that has to be chosen as 20 and 21. Okay, for the rest 18 is okay. So I can choose 18, or I want if I can choose 22 also. Next is languages. Okay, here in the edit option, you can type the languages, the preferred language which you want that the advertisement to be shown. Okay, so if I want the advertisement to be shown in Hindi, I will click over here, and English. Next is advantage plus audience. So here you can put the custom audiences over here, and if you want to create the new custom audience, a lookalike audience, you can create also from here. Now age, if you want to do the changes from 22, and the maximum limit, for example, I want to set it till 52 years of age. Not gender, because it's an engagement campaign, it's meant for all. So here I want to click on all. If you have a certain preference towards a particular gender, choose it from here. Now next is detailed targeting. So from here you can do the detailed targeting. I'll click on the browse. Based on demography, based on interest, and based on the behaviors, you can do the detailed targeting of the audience. So for example, I want to click on interest. So business and industry I can choose from here. For example, I don't want agriculture, I don't want aviation, architecture I don't want. So I want higher education, I want management, business and finance, I want marketing, business and finance, small business and finance, then digital marketing, email marketing, online advertising, search engine optimization, social media marketing. So like this, I've chosen certain sectors where I want this advertisement to be displayed. Behavior wise, if I want to do the choice, for example, I want to target people with digital activities, new active business less than 12 months, and new active business less than 6 months. Like this, I'm going to do the detailed targeting. Next is placement. Now we have two options here, advantage plus placement, which is recommended by Facebook, and manual placement. So I'm going to click on manual placement. Here I get different options, the devices that I want to choose. For example, I want the advertisement to be displayed both in mobile phone and desktop. I'm going to leave it like this. In case I do not want it to be displayed on desktop, usually that can be the option. So I'm going to click on this, it will be deselected. Platforms, Facebook and Instagram, both I want. So I'm going to leave it like this. Now here you can see the placement. It will be visible in the daily feeds, in the stories and the reels, in stream ads for the videos and reels, search results also. Here you can see the audience definition. Estimated audience sizes displayed over here. So it should not be very much broad also and not too much narrow also. Now I'm going to click on next. Give a name to the ad. Identity, you will have to choose the Facebook page that you want your advertisement to be displayed on. And you will have to link your Instagram account also, because you have chosen Instagram also where you want your advertisement to be displayed. Then is ad setup. So I'm going to create the ad. Next is ad creative. Here I'm going to click on media, add media. If you have an image, you're going to click on add image. In case if you have a video of your advertisement, then you're going to click on add video. I'm clicking on add image. Now here you can see the image where it is being shown in the feeds and in stream. It will be visible in this form. In stories and reels it will be visible in such form, and in search results it will be visible in this form. Now ensure that the recommended aspect ratio should be as per what is mentioned over here. Now I'm going to click on next. Here again you can see, if I want all the optimizations to be done, I'm going to click on all optimizations and I can do a lot of changes from here. You want Facebook to add certain relevant comments below your advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. You are going to click on this. And then I'm going to click on done. Now the primary text that you want to add, you can type over here. I get here certain suggestions also. So I'm going to copy and paste it. Next, if you see over here, there is a call to action button. So over here, because it's more concerned with teaching, I can put learn more. Now we'll type the website URL. Now next is tracking. So I'm going to click on website events. Here the pixel page will be added over here. Now this pixel page need to be active, and I'm going to click on publish. When you click on publish, here this is the payment information. I will have to add the payment information because I have not added it. Now in case if you have already added the payment information before, it won't ask you again and again. So here you would continue it and you would add all the details and save it. So now when I go to my ads manager account, here you can see the demo new engagement campaign that we had created. When I scroll it towards my right hand side, we can check all the details with respect to the results, the reach, the impression, cost per result, amount spent, and so on. So I hope you have understood how are we going to create this engagement campaign. Thank you so much.